Hello, dear Libra, Sun, Moon, and Rising, and welcome to your first half of June readings with me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's get started. So, the first week, my dear Libra, Sun, Moon, and Rising, as you can see, you're dealing with a masculine energy. Now, this masculine energy, dear Libras, for you, it is kind of an energy that is. This energy is pretty much, cold kind of energy, administrative kind of energy. So you might be dealing with a banker, with a medical practitioner. You might be dealing with somebody from the administration department. A lot of paperwork. Maybe you forgot some paperwork. You forgot to do some paperwork, my dear Libra. And now you are being called upon to do that, my dear Libra. So I see that there is a lot of, how can I say, a lot of paperwork, and you're not very happy to do that. And for some Libras, it is just dealing with the administration hassle, okay? For some of you, you are in a very cold state of mind. You are just focused on getting things done. You're also focused on how to get certain things done also. Something regarding money matters is also very much seen for Librans. And but I see somehow, my dear Librans, that whatever you're dealing with in the first week, you will be helped by this masculine energy. No matter how cold this masculine energy appears, no matter how this masculine energy is, I would say, not very warm towards you. Their looks are very cold and very, judgmental. They might be looking, but they will help you, okay? They will help you and you will be able to get your things done also. And I would like to tell you, my dear Librans, those who are dealing with any kind of lawsuits, then you are dealing with a good advocate at this point of time in the first week of June. For my Libra students also, it's a student for you. The teacher might appear a bit, not very wow or not very friendly and smiley kind of a person. But this teacher is really, really good. Believe me that on that, okay? And also, my dear Libra students, you will have certain paperwork or something to do with papers is what I see for my Libra students. And if you're interested in tarot oracles and if you're wondering how to find your first deck, then I have made a wonderful write-up of that you will find in the description box below. It is free for you, okay? Like how to find your first deck, and there I also explain the difference between tarot and oracles also. So if you're interested in knowing in detail like what should be to find your first deck, it's all very nicely, it has been explained. So I would invite a few moments from you to go to the description box below and download it for free. And then we go to the second week. Now the second week's energy, you're roaring with confidence. You have lot of you have lot of energy is what I see. Excuse me, my dear Libra, I might be a bit disturbing with this. I'm too warm here. I've put two things to cool in the house, but it's not sufficient. It's really, really warm here. It's too warm. So sorry for that distraction. So my dear Libras, in the second week, what I see is you're roaring with confidence. You are getting things done. Also, I see you a bit aggressive with some people because you want to get things done and you want to get them done on time is what I see, my dear Librans, for you. I also see that when it comes to love matters of love, you might be very possessive about your loved one, or even get a bit fit of jealousy also. Either your partner can be like that with you, or you can become like that with them. I also see at work you will be able to deliver very well because your energy is really, really very, like getting it done kind of an energy is what I see, my dear Librans, for you in the second week. Money-wise, things are looking good for you, my dear Libras, in the second week. And sentimentally speaking, also keep that, possessiveness under control, please. Otherwise, you're going to spoil the game, okay? And your heart is going to be on fire. Intensity is what I see in you. And also I see that you might not spare anyone. This time Libra is forgetting their diplomacy a bit. They have left it to someone else. They left it at somebody's place, and so it's lacking here in the second week of this month. Take care of that. Even for my Libra students also, you can get lots done at this point of time, and lots done. So use this beautiful, that energy, that roaring energy, this tiger-like energy to get things done, my dear Libras, okay? And money-wise, it's fine. When it comes to your health, well, if you have blood pressure problems, then you're going to have troubles in the second week. So just keep everything under check, rather your anger under check. No matter what happens around you, inside you have to lower the heat and just cool down. Okay, my dear Libra? So thank you for listening. Please do like, share and comment. And I shall see you in the second half of June. I hope the temperatures reduce a bit. It has been terrible. I mean, just, like from 18, 20 degrees, you go to 39, 40 degrees. It's like one day to another, the summer has hit here in Europe. So it's really, and we are not equipped with any air conditioners. So it's really, we're baking. And as my house is on an altitude, for the cold season it's good. But when it's warm, it's really like, I feel like being in an oven being baked. No matter what I'm putting here for cooling down, it's not working that much. So take good care of yourself, my dear Libra. And see you in the second half of June. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye.